This right here is the Samsung Bespoke AI laundry combo, and it completely changes how laundry fits into your day. This guy is truly an all-in-one machine. It washes and dries in the same drum, so there is no switching loads, no moving clothes, and no waiting around in between. You throw everything right in here, start the cycle, and it goes straight from washing to drying, which frees up a surprising amount of time. And because it's a single unit, it also saves space comparing it to a pair of a normal washer and dryer. This particular model is ventless, which means that it can be installed pretty much anywhere you have a 120 volt outlet and water supply and drain. And if you prefer a vented drying experience, Samsung does offer a vented combo that runs at 240 volts. So there are options depending on your home's setup. One of the biggest advantages here is the uninterrupted wash and dry cycle. In this model, that's about 98 minutes of total cycle time from start to full dry. There is no waiting in between, no remembering to come back and switch the loads. And that has definitely happened to me where I have left my laundry in there soaking wet for multiple hours. And after a while, it gets smelly and stinky and just gross. But having a washer dryer combo like this has completely eliminated that. It's one cycle, one time, and your laundry is done. This is where the AI really comes in. Samsung calls it AI Opti Wash and Dry. The machine automatically senses the load weight, fabric type, and soil level, then adjusts water usage, detergent, and drying time on its own. That means you're not overwashing, you're not under drying, and you're not guessing which setting to use. It's intelligent cleaning that's thorough and efficient without you having to think about it. Okay, now here is one of my favorite features, and that is the auto open door. When your wash and dry cycle finishes, the door automatically opens, leaving your clothes perfectly dry. Now, if you're off doing other things, this helps release humidity, prevents musty smell, and keeps the drum fresh and ready for the next load. So all you really have to do is put the laundry in and take it out. The great thing about these Samsung devices is that everything connects through SmartThings. I can start a cycle, monitor the progress, check energy usage, and get notifications right from my phone. I can see exactly when the cycle is complete, even if I'm not in the laundry room. And it integrates effortlessly with the Family Hub Plus refrigerator and a lot more, but I'll dive deeper into that in the next video. So what do we have here? One machine, one cycle, no switching loads, and a whole lot less effort. That is what AI appliances are supposed to do. Make everyday routines simpler, and this one absolutely does. If you want to know more about this device, be sure to check the links in the descriptions. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. As always, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video.